The last example problem we're going to do is to find the intercepts of a circle if you're given the equation of the circle. So first we'll start by finding the x-intercepts. To do this, we're going to use a trick that you first learned when you were trying to find the intercepts of a line. And that was, if you want to find the x-intercepts, then you set y equal to 0. Well, that's not hard to do. X minus 4 squared plus 0 minus 2 squared is 16. So you square the minus 2 to get 4. And you can leave this in squared form because that's going to make it a little bit easier to solve it than if you FOIL it out. So you get to this point and you take away 4 from both sides. And I'm going to bring the calculation up here. You get x minus 4 squared equals 12. And now you might see why I didn't want to square this. If I take the square root of both sides, x minus 4 is plus or minus, you guys always forget this, square root of 12. Now square root of 12 reduces to 4 times 3. Square root of 4 is 2 root 3. So lastly, add 4 to both sides, and we have x equals 4 plus or minus 2 root 3. Now, we can do a similar trick. Oh, my focus is not really good. There we go. So we can do a similar trick with the y-intercept. All we have to do is set x equal to 0. So this is going to be a 0 here. Okay, this is going to be a 0. So we have 0 minus 4 squared plus y minus 2 squared is 16. Now negative 4 squared is 16 plus y minus 2 squared. Again, I'm not going to FOIL this. Equals 16. If I take 16 away from both sides, we get y minus 2 squared equals 0. Square root both sides, and y minus 2 is 0, and y is equal to 2. Now you might say, why did I not get 2 numbers here like I got here? Well, trust yourself, the math is right. So let's see, what could this look like? Let's go back to the original equation. Where is the center? Well, this implies that the center is at the point 4, 2. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Put this point right here. The y-intercept is 2. Well, if this is the center and the y-intercept is at 2, that kind of makes sense. It's really saying it just touches, just barely touches there. It just touches in one point. And this point right here and this point right here, these must be the x-intercepts. Since 4 plus 2 root 3 is the larger number, this must be 4 plus 2 root 3, and this one must be 4 minus 2 root 3. And this is what our circle looks like. If you want to put the radius in, you can kind of tell that it's 1, 2, 3, 4 from the picture. Okay, radius is 4. Or you could look up here and see that this is r squared and the square root of 16 is 4.